Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set your work address in Citymapper. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and after that click on the work button which is at the middle of the screen, and then you can search your exact address or use your current location. So I'm just going to tap this somewhere to see uh, that if it's working or not, something like that. And here you will see that how I could go to my workplace if uh, if I walk with bike or with scooter, by scooter, by cab, or by tram, subway and bus. So here are the possibilities, and I have to select one of those. So even if I'm always going on the same route, maybe I would like to check when the bus will arrive. So it's really helpful, and I hope this video was helpful for you as well. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.